Welcome back, everybody. Today's video is on a retractable air hose reel. Made this purchase on Amazon. It had good reviews. Let's check it out. Let's get everything out of the box first. It's a very nice looking tool. It's very heavy duty. The question is, does it work? Our hose length is 50 feet. Here's the inner and outer diameter of your hose. And the hose that I'll be connecting to the compressor is 5 feet. Comes with 4 heavy duty bolts. If you want to mount this to your brick wall or cinder block wall, the hardware is already there. Also comes with a heavy duty bracket for when mounting onto studs, which is what I'll be using. And these 2 smaller bolts is for mounting your bracket onto the bigger bracket. You have your bolt, a spacer, and your nut, and it goes right in here. It's kind of tight, but get your bolt in there. Spacer, your bracket, and then your nut. Now our 5-foot hose, I believe it's this one. It's already in here. There you go. And this hose connects here. So right now I'm just taking measurements around the shop, trying to figure out where to put this, because where I did want to put it, I'm not able to put it there. My original plans were to connect it onto this stud right here where the compressor's at, but then our hose reel will be too high up in the air, because for this to work the proper way, so there's no kinks or it doesn't give you problems where it's like jamming and it's stuck, is that you need to be able to pull this hose straight out towards you. So you can connect this to the ceiling as long as you're able to pull that hose straight down, or onto a stud or a wall so you can pull the hose straight out towards you. But if you have it high up and you're pulling it in an angle, it's a no-no. I like this bracket because it does give you the option to move it out of your way. Let's just say if you mount it to a stud or a wall that it's not sticking out so far out. With this bracket, you can just move it and tuck it out of your way. So I was taking my time with that. I didn't want to get slapped in the face by the hose. Okay, let's connect our bracket here. Oop. Pop that back in. Let's get our nut out. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. There should be some play because of the spacer, like that your bracket can move side to side. So now let's mount this. Let's see, it's overall length is about 16 inches. Let's see how much it weighs. It's a little over 21 pounds. Okay, we are leveled. So I dropped one of the spacers and it just magically disappeared. I'm working in this area. I don't know where it went. That's crazy. Woo! Man. So if you're by yourself like I am, it's a little tricky trying to get up by yourself, but I managed. Got both bolts in, washers, nuts. Now let's tighten this up. Let's move it to the side. They already provided us with some Teflon. I like it. Put this back on. Wait a minute. Okay. I'll probably put a hook here so I can just move it and it doesn't swing back and forth like this because this hose is up there. But oh yeah, I'm loving it. It's a big game changer in the workshop. Well, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I made this purchase with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. However, I am Amazon affiliated. If you make a purchase through the link I provide at the bottom, I get a small kickback. Absolutely no cost to you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll catch you on the next one. You have yourself a good one. 3, 2, 1. Well, there you have it. I forgot what I was gonna say. 3, 2, 1. Well, there you have it. I need more coffee. 3, 2, 1. Well, there you have it. That's the end of this video. I purchased this with my own money. My own money. Let me drink more coffee. Okay, let's try this. Take 99. 3, 2, 1. Well, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I hope this video helps someone out there. I've purchased this with my own money. I've purchased this. Okay. Get some of this in me. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Well, there you have it. That's the end of my video. I hope this video helps someone out there. I purchased this with my own money. I purchased this with my own money.